Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video, and I'm just trying to show you the assembly and everything's going to be setting up. This is just for one inverter. It's not for dual or triple, quadruple inverters. And this is where I was talking about. Let me use the old, the dirty or scratchy hood. So this one's going to go right there. And see, one bolt goes right on the inverter and the other one over there, and this one goes on that plain leg right there. So this is what prevents any dropping coming to the inverter. So I'll just set up example here, just making a preamble. See how that's how it's gonna look like. So down here is gonna be the box, combiner box with the breakers and everything. Okay, disconnects, and here we go. This is gonna be the big boy, the PT100. I'm gonna set it on the corner right there just for demonstration. So I'm just gonna go just like this. And that's how it's gonna look like. Setting up. I already have the wires pre-wired in here, and with the ground coming out, so I don't have to do too much work showing you all that parts. If you want to see that, it's gonna be on one of the Grillmeister Dave's video. Big guy, my brother from another mother. So it sits right there, and it's gonna be the outs and the ins, the wires. So there's the battery terminals right there. This is the mount for the PT100 as well. So the inverter comes the charge controller comes up here as well. Okay, if you want to utilize this. So here goes the box that you can able to set up these inverters in parallel mode or stackable mode, you can call them. I've never done this before, so we're all gonna go through all this process here. A lot of manuals, cables, oh, even wires. All cables. Which one is this? These are 2 hot cable to stack the inverters. Let's see what we have here again. Some all cool stuff. We got a breaker right here, 30 amp breaker. There you go, square D breaker. And another box here. Let's open up. Ha! That's a huge breaker, 175 amp breaker. DC disconnect. This is the main breaker sitting here. Oh, there's a lot of equipment here. Let's see if we can figure it out, how to install this thing. I've never installed one of these at all, as you've seen, and this is what I think is about to happen right here. I think this one goes that way. There you go. Sits right there, flushes all the way, hold on to the inverter, and we can able to get another box. They normally connect on the sides here. This is for one inverter, but the thing I'm kind of really confused a little bit here. If we do have that box, well, that normally goes here, which is let me show you, just like this guy here, this box. Okay, it's gonna be on the corner right there. Okay, and these are all the breakers, and this is a full install right here. That's what we're trying to do. There's a PT100 right here, and we got it hooked up into this. and it's Magnum, of course. So you saw the remote, all the components I was showing you. The BMK is in here. So having this guy connected, this box, which is the MMP 250. This guy been sitting here. I have all the breakers got the 250 amp. That one is 175. Most of that one is for 48 volt system. This box, we can get another. That box I was dealing with, sometimes they do come right on the corner right there. Okay, I think that's what it is. So we have that box connected just like this right there. So we can able to take the other inverter and set it on the other side to interconnect. It's gonna be some kind of serious connections here we're gonna be doing right by the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. This power room is kind of packed with a lot of equipment, and you can see my soundboard, which is right there, and is here. It's a 40 channel. It's a big boy for my live studio and live entertainment, live performance. It's really big. It has a lot of buses here, and guys, it's just incredible machine right there. GL 2800. We are back to the build because we were kind of showing you guys a little bit about our studio, recording studio, and that's the other part I'm not even getting to yet to guys tell you more. But I think I got the wrong box. What I'm thinking here, I supposed to one of them supposed to be blocked or locked on the side here, and getting this side gonna interconnect with the other machine. I think I screwed up here. I ordered the wrong box. It has been a long time now. I never open it. I never try to do something with it. Now I get stuck with it. That's not a good sign at all. So all these other components you see in here, they're gonna be useful. They're gonna be fruitful. They're gonna be doing some work. So the BMK battery monitor kit, just like when you have the Whizbang Junior for this guy, Midnight Solar, that's the same thing. This guy, very intelligent, and like you have the FlexNet DC for Outback, just like that. Okay, and you have this guy right here who's gonna be talking to them. He's the main commander. That's going to be telling them everything's going to be linked with that PT100 over there. That one can display the voltage and the wattage coming in. It doesn't have all the kind of fancy stuff that other charge controllers have on that display right there. Everything display right here. So that's why you have to use the advanced version, which is the FAV, F-A-V, MERC 50. This is the advanced. So for you to run the PT100 and a dual or triple or quadruple machines, okay, and we have this battery sensor, which I have a lot of these. Anytime you buy something, they probably send you one of them. So all these bolts gonna be going in here for that box that I just showed you. The combiner box goes all the way here. Like I said, this is not the mount for it. The back plate is not a mount for it. It's supposed to be a dual system. It's kind of wider. It's 2 times that. So like I said, I'm trying to build this thing single, like the other one in there. It's gonna double it, but I don't have the right back plate for it. But because of this, and we're gonna go about trying to get the real plates for this. See, I was doing that for single setups. If you can go back and check into Grillmeister Dave's videos, big dude, brother from another mother. I built one of them for him because I have all these inverters, a lot of these inverters sitting at home. And I built one for Divorce the Horse, the guy with the big shuttle bus. He had a 12-volt system one, which is a 2800. It's a Magnum 2812. That's for a 12-volt system for his bus. He doesn't have that PT100, but he has a Midnight. Likewise, Dave has a Midnight Classic. So these are all the other components that's gonna go through this entire build right here at JW Solar USA. I might not utilize this box right here. I have to get, maybe I'm trying to do a single thing like this, but if I want to stack these inverters, I have to have this box. I think this is going to be the middle one, like 3 inverters. This one's supposed to be the middle one. I kind of screw up onto the ordering on the thing. It's too much in my mind, a lot of stuff. So guys, this is what it is. And when sometimes you get good deals, you just go about and grab them. This is what happened to me, I suppose. So I have a lot of Outback machines as well. I think I have approximately 8 Outback inverters, and I have a lot of the FlexNet DC, approximately 2 or something mates, about 3 mates, and I have the latest 3 mates, the 3S. So I don't know. These are all things that are supposed to be utilized or implemented or going to other people's houses that makes them feel self-sufficient and self-sustainable. And all of them, I have them sitting in my house here, which are ready to go for certain or deployed for different houses and different locations for different places, live at the command center of JW Solar USA. So that's why we don't have much time talking about my system anymore. I don't talk about that because it's just I'm busy right now. If you started seeing what I'm doing here, this is what I've been doing. I'm building Outback systems with incorporated with Midnight Classic 150, and this is the baby box here. And I'm just busy. I'm busy. I can't even cut up at all. This 2021, I didn't cut up at all. I'm way behind. Bunch of heavy duty cables right there, 4 hot cables. And it is just ridiculous. It's just trying to work by yourself. It's not easy. And I'm so busy with these guys here building these machines now. It's just amazing, and it's just trouble for me. And these are the other ones I just built. All these portable charging station. Now I incorporated that. These are lithium polymer batteries. I'm gonna make a video about that. Lithium polymer batteries combined and with a lithium iron phosphate battery, Life PO4, which is a Panasonic CG something. You've seen them. These are in here, and this is what I've done yesterday. I got them incorporated like sliding door, which I have to put a handle right here so I can grab it, you know, like a cupboard or something. So look at this, sweet sliding door. I made that video yesterday. I haven't seen it, go back and watch it. And these are all 12-volt system, and the batteries are in here. And we have a very rough weather out there, so we're charging slowly, and the battery's almost full. And this is what we're sitting at right now. This is the Renogy. See, it's powering. We have about 66 watt. The refrigerator is running. and plus this power coming in, it reduced that, supposed to be approximately about 90 something to 80 some watts. So I like this guy. It's kind of tinted, and it's too much guys, too much for JW Solar USA. I need an apprentice, I need a brother close so I can do some stuff. It's not easy. I got a bunch of battery stuff sitting there, battery hookup stuff I was gonna do. I can't just keep up. There's another test I'm doing here with see that's the lithium polymer, and it's connected. The red wires get into the plugs right there, and there's a voltage right there. They have a built-in BMS. These guys have a built-in BMS. This is the charge controller for that, sitting on little panels right there. Trickle charge, charging these guys, and the power transfer, and this one is taking power back and charges this one or whatever they draw at the same time. They're all pulling on the same load. Guys, I ordered this guy here, the Midwest. Look at that. Nice loon. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Ha. 30 amp. Look at that. 30 amp. This is for outdoors. And I can able to connect this guy for generator. And I can able to utilize this guy. It's a brand new. Not been punched or anything. Came a few days ago. So what I was gonna do, I want to incorporate this guy with the Outback here, so the output of the Outback can feed into this guy here, and we have a breaker that's gonna control this power to the house or whatever I'm trying to do. Guys, you stay tuned, because these are heavy projects going on. It's like it's not even revealed yet, and you guys will know exactly. I've been talking about this for years. I've been talking about this for I don't know, long time. But guys, it's gonna work, because this one is going to the JW Solar USA homestead. The homestead is coming, guys. Is coming. The homestead is in construction.